Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to Division 101 tutorial. This morning, we are going to solve a puzzle in lesson 7.9. So this is for grade 5. Lesson 7 talks about variables with artists. Okay, so if you are ready, Teacher Debbie is ready now. So let's start. Okay. So this is lesson 7. As what I have said, these are variables for artists. So this is lesson 7.9 or puzzle number 9. So before we start, this is our work to do this morning. This is simple puzzle only, but a little tricky. Okay, so this is one. Okay, so before we start, we will read first our instruction. It says here, use what you have learned to build this design where the squares have 80 pixel side and the artist jumps 80 pixel over and down between each other. So the square, if you follow with me here, this is 80 pixels. When you jump, still it's 80 pixels. Mean to say that's the distance of the sides of squares. So next it says here, build this design where the squares have 80 pixel side and jump artist will jump 80 between each other. So let's start now. Are you with me? Okay. So here, if you can see, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 square. So we have 4 square. We have 4 square. And first, we will set the dimension of our drawing, our square. The length, how much? Do you still remember? It's 80. So this is 80. We need to change that one to 80. After that, if you count, there are 4 square. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to do the loop. Repeat how many times? It's 4. 4 times. Next, add another loop inside. And because we are drawing square, so we have 4 also. Square have 4 sides, and we have also 4 squares. So they repeat 4 times and repeat 4 times here. This is for the square, and this is for the number of square. This is for the number of sides. Okay, so that you will not be confused. Are you with me? Okay, can you follow? Okay, next part. Okay, next part, we have to move forward. What? The length. What is the length? That is, length is 80. So 80 is the length. So we already put the description up here, set already. Next is we need to turn left. How many degrees? Because that is square, that should be 90 degrees. Okay? So this is now the square. Move forward, length 80, turn left, move forward again 80 until we can draw a square. Next, how about when we jump? Okay, let's try when we jump. When we jump here, we need to move forward. Length is 80, very good. And then turn. This time, instead of turn left, we need to turn right. How many degrees? Should be 90 degrees. Can you follow? Okay, next. Next, we need to jump again. Jump by the length, that is 80 pixel. And then turn left by 90 degrees. Okay? So that is how to solve our problem. Can you follow? So this is how to solve our problem now. If you can see, set the length to 80 pixel, then repeat 4 times, meaning you have 4 squares. Repeat 4 times. That is for your square. This one, move forward length, turn left 90. After this one, jump forward length, turn right 90, jump forward length, and then turn left 90. Okay? Can you follow? Okay, let's try to run. Okay, so that is how to solve our puzzle in lesson 7, puzzle number 9. Okay? Okay, one more. I need to replay one more, and I will make it slower. So you can see the coding here, how the artist is drawing the squares. So draw a square, and then this one, jump, and start the drawing again. Okay, so that is how to solve our problem. Okay, I'm hoping that you learned something this morning in our coding and enjoy solving puzzle in our codes. Okay, follow your work assignment given to you and enjoy your time. Okay, don't make a rush. So thank you for watching. This is Teacher Debbie in our Debbie June 101. For those new students, please don't forget to subscribe. And for those who are already subscribers, don't forget to click like. You can share it with your friends. And also, please do not forget to click the bell button or the bell on the lower parts or right side of the subscriber button so that you will be notified for our new video uploaded in our YouTube channel. For now, say bye-bye. Have a nice day. See you till next time.